Good morning, Pentecote 8th graders. My name is Mr. Cousins, and I'm here to talk to you about our outstanding agriculture science programs and the opportunities that we have to offer to you as part of our program. You just have to sign up with your ninth grade counselor. As you can see in front of you, many different pictures. We've got our ninth grade ag leadership trip at Disney Leadership, trips to Yosemite, when we go to our State FFA convention, our seniors there as program completers with their blue and yellow sashes, and of course our state finals there at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, where we come away with many awards on a yearly basis. Our program has so much for you to do and to get involved in. You can own animals. We have a farm here on campus where we have pigs, sheep, goats, rabbits, turkeys, and you can be a part of all that. Whether you own them or not, you get to be involved in our classes and experience them. We also have a great nursery here where we have plants that if you like plants, you get to work with those as well. We even have a horticulture science class. We have a veterinary science class to go along with our animal program. You get to be a part of our team, our family. We have lots of events. We travel all over the state of California competing with our career development teams. We have a veterinary science team, a livestock team, a vegetable crop team, a pest team, and a horticulture team. And we take you to UC Davis, Fresno State, Cal State Chico, Cal Poly Pomona, Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and have some fun, win some ribbons, and come home with those experiences. And if you are part of our program, you can do all of those. So, not to mention scholarships. As a senior, you can apply for over $2 million in scholarships through the FFA program, learn a lot of skills, make fun projects. One cool thing is when you guys are sophomores, our new welding building will be opening up. We have a building being built that is just getting started that is strictly for our welding program. So you could be a part of that as a sophomore. In addition to that, our whole school is going to be finished being built in 2022, which is awesome. All you got to do is sign up for Agriculture Science and Systems. That is our first class. That is our ninth grade class, and you will be able to be part of our program. Join us. We just had another team win state champion, our vegetable crop science team. You can be a part of that. So this is an awesome opportunity. And in order to take advantage of these trips, these animals, this fun, you need to be in agriculture science and systems. I mentioned fun. Okay, our program is science. These are the science class that will meet graduation requirements and university entrance. For Cal State's, University of California's, private schools, our courses are science classes. They are lab sciences. So you will not be taking an elective. So you will still have space in your schedule for those electives that you want to take. We also have fine art through floral design. Okay, we also have veterinary science, horticulture science. We also have a leadership class that you can be a part of. And not to mention our welding and ag mechanics that you can become a part of as well when you become sophomores. So all you got to do to be part of this is sign up for Agriculture Science and Systems, or tell your counselor, I want to be part of ag. I want to be part of FFA. Okay, I wish we were there handing out flowers to you and talking about our program and bringing our rabbits over and our goats over, but we are in that situation where we cannot do that. But we're looking forward to seeing you and meeting you next year when we start school in August. So as a freshman, you'll take Agriculture Science and Systems, 10th grade Agriculture Biology, in 11th grade Agriculture Chemistry, then in 12th grade you can take Veterinary Science. There's also other options like Horticulture Science, ag leadership, ag mechanics, welding, those kinds of courses that you can take along the way. A lot of classes to offer you in addition to those floriculture classes. If you do that, all of our classes count for university acceptance. So again, you are not taking electives. These are courses that will get you to where you want to go. And if that's college, this is your way. As a 12th grader, you even get agriculture, government, and economics, which counts for your senior history class, ag, government, and economics, and will count for college entrance. So we look forward to you being part of our program. When you select your schedule in Infinite Campus, pick Agriculture, Science, and Systems. Used to be known as Plant and Animal Science, but now it is a lab science, so it is an upgrade, which is awesome. If you have questions, please reply to this email and ask me questions. If you're having trouble finding the class and need help, ask the counselor, or you can email me and say, hey, Mr. Cousins, I really want to be part of this program. Can you help me get in? And I will do that for you. Again, my name is Mr. Cousins. Please email me if you have questions. And I hope our program is what you're looking for, and we look forward to seeing you in August when we kick off the new school year.